Welcome to Incident Tracker Pro, a complete HSE incident management system in a single file. No installation, no subscription, and 100% offline. Let me walk you through it, exactly the way you'll use it. It opens straight to your dashboard. One clear screen showing the whole picture. Open incidents, near misses, overdue actions, and your key safety rates. All live, all in one glance. The moment you log in, you know exactly where things stand. Now, the heart of the system, your incidents. Start with the incident register. Log every event, and let the app score the risk for you. Severity, probability, and consequence, calculated automatically. Next, the near-miss log. Capture the warnings, even anonymously, because the close calls you record today prevent the injuries of tomorrow. Then, there's injured persons. Every affected person in one place. Their details, their full history, and an automatic flag the moment someone's been involved more than once. Old incident, new incident, side by side. And non-work-related incidents tracked separately for welfare and duty of care, but kept out of your official work statistics, so your safety rates stay clean and accurate. When something needs a deeper look, move to investigations. Track everyone, from open to in progress to closed. Nothing forgotten, nothing left hanging. And the root cause analysis module shows you why it happened, with Pareto charts, category breakdowns, and your top recurring causes ranked automatically. So you fix the real problem, not just the symptom. Insight means nothing without action. So, your CAPA Register. Manage every corrective and preventive action with overdue alerts, effectiveness scoring, and a countdown on every deadline. Nothing slips behind again. And My Actions makes it personal. Every team member opens their own screen and sees exactly what's waiting on them. Approvals to give, actions to complete. A simple badge keeps everyone accountable. Now, the numbers leadership asks for. Trends and statistics turn 12 months of data into clear, rolling charts. Safety rates calculates your TRIR, your LTIFR, and your severity rate using true industry-standard OSHA formulas, ready in seconds. Department analysis ranks your teams, showing exactly where incidents cluster. And location analysis maps your hotspots, highlighting the high risk and recurring sites that need attention now. When it's time to report, Reports delivers in one click, a polished, branded PDF or clean CSV data for any module. And every change is captured in the audit log.
Who did what and when? Full traceability, built right in. Finally, it's built for teams. Users and access lets you manage people, roles, and projects, each person focused on their own area. And settings and master data make it yours, your organization, your risk levels, your lists. 11 modules, one file, one payment, yours to keep. Incident Tracker Pro, available now from HSE Doc Studio on Etsy.